Hi my beautiful vibes family, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. On today's menu we have some mouth-watering chicken chop suey, white rice and fried plantains. And see the ingredients them y'all. As usual, I've already marinated my chicken. So first we are going to start off with the chop part of the chop suey. So let's get chopping, but first we are going to wash and clean up the things them that we are going to be chopping. I don't know, we have to wash and clean up the cabbage them well. And wash it with salt too as well. So what I normally do sometimes is catch the water, put the salt in there and the cabbage of course and leave it for a minute or two sometimes so that it can really try get down in there. So for the pak choy, please make sure you wash it leaf by leaf. Break them apart and wash them. Don't just rinse off the thing as a whole and think it wash. No ma'am. And wash it with salt too. Cause trust me, when you pull them leaf there apart, sometimes if you see the muck, looks horrible. Dirt and all sorts. So please pull them apart and wash them leaf by leaf. So I'm going to prepare my chicken first. Add a little oil to the pot and some minced garlic. Then add our nicely seasoned chicken that has been cut into strips or dice, whichever way you want to do it. Just make sure say it's not big. And the fire is on medium heat, so just leave it and make it go on, cook. And see how beautiful my chicken looks? No guys, it doesn't need any browning or anything like that. So while that's being prepared, I'm going to cut up some veggies that's going to be added to the chicken. The sweet peppers can be cut in strips. Them do have for small and fine or anything like that. Chicken looks so good. Stir her up. Now add the veggies. That pretty man though, so pretty. Boy, this looks so good by itself. I would absolutely eat it just as is. That looks really good. Yes. When you look on that, you know it tastes good. Meat season good. Tastes really good. And the sweet pepper and onion also set it off. Okay, let's chop up our pak choy. So each of them about 1 inch, especially the white part. Don't cut them fine. And watch your fingers, be careful. And you want to put good amount of pak choy in there now, because trust me, 2 twos it just simmer down and get, you almost not see it. So you have to put a lot in there so that you can see it. And now our cabbage. Cut the cabbage the size that you would if you're steaming it. So not too small. And sometimes for steam you even cut it bigger than that. But yeah, for the chop suey you want to be careful, because you want to make sure say your chicken, you can still see the chicken too as well, right? So just a nice size. Now we're also gonna add some carrots, which I will be cutting into strips. This is such like a great way to incorporate veggies into your dish, like to feed your children, especially if them don't like it. It tastes good, it look pretty, and yeah, sometimes them not even realize. My son love this, by the way, so, and my daughter eats everything, so I don't really have that problem there. But yeah. Let's add our chop up. Start with the cabbage first, because the pak choy cooks in no time. So that's why I incorporate the cabbage first and combine everything. Next, let's add the pak choy. And mix it up. Make sure the fire is on high. You don't really want it on low, because then it just got basically a steam and it gonna take long, as in, you know, like whole heap of water gonna start spring up and stuff. So turn up the fire, because you just gonna stir 2 twos, you stir in the pak choy and the cabbage together with the chicken. It cook in no time, so you don't really want the day itch with that. Turn up the fire and do the thing. Okay, so we're gonna add some black pepper, pimento powder, and I think I added a little salt. So remember, taste as we go along. It's not like this is not something where you can taste like, oh, it not done cook. No, taste it. This looks so beautiful. Looks so good. Okay, let's fry some of my fave. I love fried plantain like nobody's business. So we are going to add some to it in. Comment down below and tell me which way you prefer your plantain. Do you prefer it boil, fry, or you rather press green plantain? My favorite would, I love all of them, but if I for only have one, maybe I would say fried plantain. For sure, fried plantain. I love it pressed about it. And I think boil would have be the last, but fry for sure, hands down. Now so these look so good, you know, turn them over with them fine looking self. All them two big one over there, so drop that all in a slice. Listen, just drop all them in a slice of bread, 2 slices of bread. Listen to my man. Breakfast, dinner, anything we want to call it. Sell fried plantain and bread. Yes. Just calm down. Stick to the plan. Yeah. Chop suey. Chop suey. We're doing chop suey. And here we have it. Chicken chop suey, and the veggies are still nice and crunchy. Guys, I ate this meal so much when I was pregnant with both of my babies too, but mostly my son, and it did have a full of pepper. May I tell you, no man. My husband did a great job though, because him always make it, man. No man. Love me some chicken chop suey. Just that things change now. Me can't eat it so much, you know, with the pepper, because of course my babies have to eat it. But this dish is amazing. Enjoy, guys. Thanks so much for watching and spending some time with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and share. God bless you.